Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And I sent a question off to my guru, and then before I even let him reply, I kind of figured out on my own, and he replied back before he saw this video, the one I did earlier tonight about this equation. And he actually said I was right and bravo. But when he answered the first email, he was talking about pi and this and that and equal. I just stopped reading. Well, I didn't stop reading. I was going to continue reading, but then he emailed the other one and said, bravo, you've done it. So if we wanted 8-inch side walls of a rectangle, I just made a 8-degree line. I changed the rotation of here. I'm going to rotate it 30 degrees. Now if we take, let me zoom in here a little bit. So there's actually two ways to do this. Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it. And then grab that 4-point and have it snap to there. Grab both of them, hit the plus key and mirror them. Move this down to here. Have your nudge factor set on 8 inches. Grab those two and knock them down 8 inches. 2-point line. To me, this is a lot easier in math. And now you have 8-inch wall. But to make this the best, you need to fill it in with a smart fill tool. And then that way, all the sides are connected and joined and it won't fall apart like this. Now, the other way that I just kind of thought about doing, and it worked, is to go to the Polygon tool and make it a 3-sided, so make a triangle. I'm going to flip it just to make it easier for me to work on it. And now we need to make this with our ratio lot, make this 8 inches. That's 1/6 of that, what we're doing. So let's Control D and make a duplicate or hit the plus key. Move the center rotation to the center node. And this time we're going to rotate to the 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. And now you could take the virtual segment delete key and delete these lines. And you will have 8 or 6-sided polygon with 8-inch. I still have the smart fill tool. And with 8-inch walls on every direction. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.